Hey guys, Grant here from the Wine Library to talk about our newest WineText offer. It's the Pepper Bridge Cabernet Sauvignon. So this is actually coming from Washington. A lot of you might be familiar since we've sent out the Burgervin Lane and the Seven Falls, which were also from Washington, albeit a couple of different regions. So this is the Walla Walla Valley, and it's kind of the next step up. It's the next tier of quality coming out of the region. It's labeled as Cabernet Sauvignon, but it's actually got a couple other things blended into it, making it more of a Bordeaux style blend. It's got Merlot, Malbec, Cab Franc, and a little Petit Verdot in there to just kind of round out and give it a little bit more complexity. The wine's big. It's about 14.6 in alcohol, so it's really pushing that full body range. It's loaded with really intense black and red fruit notes. Think kind of brambleberry, huckleberry, blueberry, plum, those kind of fruit notes dominating it, but it's got a good amount of black pepper, spice. It's got kind of that cedar wood, sandalwood as well in there, just to kind of round it out and give it some more complexity, and a little bit of that green bell pepper, things of that note in there as well. Obviously a big wine like this probably needs a big meal, so I would recommend steak with it. I recommend heavy grilled meats, things of that nature, or really hearty meals to pair with it. But otherwise this wine is really good, and if you're looking to cellar it, it'll last for quite some time. It's a 14, so it's got a little bit of age and it's approachable now to can it for a bit, but it'll definitely stay in the cellar for many